do you take your skills to the next level in your field? It all starts as we install your instrument. As part of the equipment qualification process, we provide initial training for your operators. This familiarises you with your thermal analysis instrument, giving you tips on sample preparation, sensor handling, and how to take your first measurements. Later on, customised training, combined with theory, is the most effective way to learn how to correctly operate and maintain your equipment and gain confidence in your daily work. It's always possible to learn even more skills, and for more experienced users, we provide classroom training with our experts so that you too can become an expert. And to help you keep up with the latest news and tips in thermal analysis, we offer a broad range of resources, including handbooks, application guides, and other training tools for our entire thermal analysis portfolio. We also host live and on-demand webinars. You can even get a self-study tutorial kit, including test substances and an application booklet. You see, there is a wide range of support that we can offer you to help you gain experience. How do you plan to improve your expertise?